Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about types of soil. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on types of soil. Are you ready for today's lesson? Okay, soil types are categorized based on their composition and characteristics. Okay, so we're going to be looking at three types of soil: loamy soil, clay soil, and sandy soil. Okay, so first we're going to be looking at loamy soil and characteristics. Okay, loamy soil is often considered the ideal type of soil for gardening and agriculture due to its balanced composition. It is a mixture of sand, slate, and clay in roughly equal proportions. Okay, do we understand? Loamy soil is often considered the best type of soil for gardening and farming because of its ideal characteristics. Okay, characteristics of loamy soil include good fertility, excellent water holding capacity, good drainage, and a crumbly texture that makes it easy to work with. Okay, the characteristics of loamy soil include good fertility. Loamy soil is naturally rich in nutrients, which makes it great for growing variety of plants. Excellent water holding capacity. It can retain moisture well, providing a consistent water supply for plants even in dry periods. Good drainage. Despite retaining moisture, loamy soil drains excess water effectively, preventing waterlogging. A crumbly texture that makes it easy to work with. Its crumbly texture makes it easy to till and cultivate, making gardening and farming tasks more manageable. Okay, we now know the loamy soil and its characteristics, right? The loamy soil is a mixture of sand, slate, and clay of equal proportions and is the best soil for gardening and agriculture, right? Good. And we say the characteristics of loamy soil include good fertility, excellent water holding capacity, good drainage, and a crumbly texture that makes it easier to work with. These characteristics makes loamy soil a top choice for many gardeners and farmers. Good. So next we're going to be looking at sandy soil and characteristics. Sandy soil is composed of larger sand particles. And the characteristics of sandy soil: quick drainage, low water holding capacity, good aeration, and it warms up rapidly in spring. However, it tends to be less fertile and may require additional nutrients for optimal plant growth. Okay, sandy soil has distinct characteristics. Quick drainage. Sandy soil drains water rapidly, which can be advantage in preventing waterlog. Okay, low water holding capacity. It doesn't retain water well, which means it's not suitable for plants that require consistent moisture. Good aeration. The large sand particles create air pockets, providing excellent aeration for plant roots. and it warms up rapidly. It warms up fast. Sandy soil warms up quickly in spring, which can be beneficial for early planting and germination. Okay? However, its main disadvantage is its low fertility and poor nutrient retention, which often requires the addition of organic matter and fertilizers to support plant growth. Do we understand? Sandy soil is composed of larger sand particles, and the characteristics of sandy soil include quick drainage, low water holding capacity, good aeration, it warms up fast. However, it tends to be less fertile and require additional nutrients for optimal plant growth. Okay, good. We're going to be looking at clay soil and characteristics. Remember, we're talking about the types of soil, okay? Clay soil is composed of tiny fine particles. And the characteristics of clay soil include high water holding capacity, slow drainage, excellent nutrient retention, and it can become compacted easily. Clay soil can be fertile, but it may need improvement in terms of drainage to prevent waterlogging. Clay soil is composed of tiny fine particles, and it is characterized by high water holding capacity. Clay soil retains water effectively, which can be an advantage during dry periods. But it can also lead to waterlogged conditions if drainage is inadequate. Slow drainage. Due to its fine particles, clay soil drains water slowly, making it prone to becoming waterlogged and causing root damage to plants. Excellent nutrient retention. It has high capacity to retain nutrients, which can be beneficial for plant growth, but it may also make it prone to nutrient imbalances. Compacted easily. Clay soil can become compacted over time during aeration and root penetration. This compaction can lead to poor plant growth. Okay, so overall, clay soil can be fertile but may require amendments and proper management to improve its drainage and prevent compaction for successful farming and gardening. Okay, do we understand that? Okay, that is good. So today's lesson, we talked about types of soil and we understood it, right? We talked about the loamy soil, sandy soil, and clay soil. We did, right? And we understood it. Good. We said the clay soil is good for gardening and farming, right? Holds water well but drains well too. Easy to work with and fertile. We said that, right? And the loamy soil is made up of slate, clay, and sand, right? Good. We also looked at the sandy soil. And we said the sandy soil drains quickly, doesn't hold water or nutrients well, right? Warms up fast in spring. We said that. Good. We also looked at the clay soil. The clay soil holds lots of water, drains slowly, can be fertile but may get compacted. We said that, right? So we understood everything on types of soil. Okay, so next we are going to be looking at our assignments. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignments, right? It's easy, right? Okay.